And so you believe it.
All I know is that miracles do happen in Christmas season.
Young lady, look for customers for me and stop all your chit-chats on Christmas being special.
Yes, Mr. Kazi. Mummy, can I visit Grandma Zola tomorrow?
Why? I thought you were trying to take some jobs with Mr. Kazi, to save up for your special Christmas outing with your friends.
Yes, Mummy. I took tomorrow off.
Why? Is it that important?
Well, it depends. I won't see her until after Christmas, because of our special friends get together this year.
No problem. How do you intend to get to Alexandria tomorrow?
I will go with Mr. Letabo. I heard him saying in the market today, that he wants to take some food stuff to his aunt.
Okay, let me call him.
Thanks, Mummy.
Come in, Amy. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Thank you, Mr. Letabo. Merry Christmas in advance, sir.
Merry Christmas. How is your mother?
Very well, sir. She sends her greetings.
Off to see Grandma Zola, and her Christmas tales are the sweetest.
Always, always.
Pardon me. Let me buy gas.
Thank you so much, sir. Grandma Zola, it's me.
Who?
Imanati.
Imanati dear.
Mr. Kazi has a lot of negative things to say. It's as though he does not believe in this special season or any season at all.
Many people talk from one or two bad experiences. But the season and every season is about faith. Don't worry, we will pray for him for a change of heart.
That was why I decided to spend the weekend here. I believe in special Christmas miracle and I don't want to stop.
Don't worry. Tomorrow we will go to our special night story spot, with Thando and Enzi. You are due for another Christmas miracle story.
The stream behind the house. Thank you, Grandma.
That was how my father came home with an antelope. It was just a day to Christmas, when everyone had given up.
It was that important at that time.
Of course, there is something about Christmas. Good things always happen, if not for anything, at least for the kindness
Grandma
people share
Zola,
in the season.
I also especially love Christmas because I usually have my cousins around from town. Everybody just usually seem happy and we can all catch up on all the things we have missed. The Christmas chicken is my favorite though. We don't get to eat it all the time.
What's your deal?
I'm sure it's not a crime to look at a beautiful woman.
Yes, she's back. I'm thinking we should get some gifts for the children in the 3 homes.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm just so happy it's Christmas.
Right. Especially because many people are coming back home. Who's that?
So you are not really joining in the Christmas celebration.
I said I don't believe in Christmas, or your tales of good things happening because it's Christmas season.
But everyone in town will be celebrating.
Let them celebrate. Young woman, face the work you're here to do. And don't talk to me about this again.
Yes, Mr. Kazi.
I can't wait for the day after tomorrow. Your job here will be done. You are too chatty, believing in nonsense. What is that noise?
How are you today, Mrs. Jonas?
I'm very well, Pastor Bleka.
Oh, great.
I'm sure you heard the noise the other time.
Yes, I did. I was attending to some customers, so I couldn't catch a glimpse of what was going on.
You know Mr. Kazi, the pot seller.
Oh yes,
His long-lost daughter, Lerito, is back.
this is a Christmas miracle.
Absolutely, even if he doesn't believe in it.
I'm sure he will start to believe our God is forever faithful.
Yes, and Jesus is the reason for the season.
Praise God.
I'm sorry once again, Baba. I've been planning to show up at Christmas for the past 7 years now, but I felt it was important for me to succeed first.
No matter what, Lerito, I am still your father. I wouldn't mind however you are. You're left at Christmas Eve. At Christmas Eve, Lerito, it was supposed to be a season of celebrating with families.
I'm sorry, Baba. When I got into the train that day, I realized I was wrong. But the traveling opportunity had a deadline, and I knew you wouldn't have wanted me to leave for Germany alone at that age.
It's okay. You're here now, that's what matters.
That's Cookie, Baba. She's my dog.
I'm just so happy. This is a Christmas miracle indeed.
I really miss you, and everyone in this town.
I'm sure gossips about your arrival must have gone round.
Indeed.
My daughter.
Baba.
Finally, our get together has come and gone. Everyone left already.
I'm so relieved. Tell me, what gift did you receive?
I don't know what is packaged there. It was from Sarah. I'm sure it will be lovely. I'll open it when I get home.
As you wish.
So tell me, Mr. Kazi now believes in Christmas miracle.
Well, he should. He hasn't told me anything. We'll know if he shows up for the town's party. Besides, I'm done with my job at his store.
Oh, I thought you were there yesterday.
Yes, his daughter came back 3 days ago. He didn't show up at the market till yesterday. He was even quiet for the most part.
It means your grandma Zola was right all along. And her prayers for him worked.
You can say that again. I also have to leave now. There's a Christmas party in town tonight.
And you're not inviting me.
Why not? You can come if you want.
I have other plans. See you after the new year then.
No problem. Take care, Luke.
See ya.
It's good to have you back in town, Lerito. I'm happy to be back too, Mrs. Ziba. Your father will be the happiest man this Christmas. Oh yes, he is. Unfortunately, he has decided not to celebrate Christmas with all of us. Miracles do happen, Mrs. Ziba. Look over there. He's obviously as joyful as ever. Oh, I see him. What a surprise.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Kazi. Merry Christmas, our Santa. I think I might just have the perfect Christmas present for you. I think I already have the perfect Christmas present.
Were you following me?
It's a mere coincidence, I promise. But a good one.
That is true. We are all glad to see her. My Lerito. Please, you will have to excuse me. There's someone I'd like to thank. That is okay. There are people I will like to give gifts to also.
I didn't get your name or number the other day in the train.
I'm Lerito.
Lovely. We meet again. I think this is destiny. You look simply amazing.
It's good to see you, Mr. Kazi.
I'm even feeling ashamed.
I understand you, sir, but thank God you have experienced the miracle of Christmas firsthand. It's better seen than told.
You're right, Amy. Thank you so much for bringing me hope in my down moments.
All praise to God for Christmas. Merry Christmas, Mr. Kazi.
Merry Christmas, Amy.
You're so funny.
Just a little, I think.
Maybe we also have a wedding to plan.
Well, I have learned to never say never.